Today we all are going to discuss about some properties of water. So we have already discussed about the water, and we have already learned what is water, liquid, solid, or gases, everything. Today we all are going to begin with the new chapter. This is properties of water. Okay. Now, water is most abundant and precious substances on the earth, and it is found in river, oceans, seas, streams, and lakes, ponds. All these things we have already come across with the previous chapter, sources of water. Now all living things need water to live and to do many other activities that we have already discussed. All this drinking, cooking, bathing, all these things were there now. And we already know that water is a liquid, and it has no color, no taste, no smell, other or shape. It can change its form from solid to liquid, liquid to vapor. All these things we have seen in the previous videos. And today we will learn more about these properties of waters. Now look at the picture here, which I have drawn. Now, water has its fixed volume. Water has its fixed volume. Though water has no fixed shape, but it has fixed volume. How? With the example of this, when a fixed amount means 1 liter of water. Let's pour into another container. One container, and back to the another container, and if we finally when we pour the same amount of water in the previous way we have measured in one container, there you will not find half liter of water, 2 liter, but you will find 1 liter of water, because we have already taken the 1 liter. This is the simple example. Now here also same thing. First here 1 liter, for example. Let's take this water as a 1 liter. Then again here, and again if we pour into the same back to the same container where we have taken, your water level mark will be the same. It will not either decreases or not increases. Now this is because there is no chance of spilling out all these things, because the water whatever we have taken, it was the same, and we kept into this different containers. Then also the water was in the same amount. Another one. Now water occupies a space. For example, I will demonstrate all these things in the next video with another means. Now today I'm just explaining you this water occupies a space. How? When we fill a container with some solid substances like sand or mud or stone, whatever, and to the beam means in the rim, on the top, then when we pour water into it, what happens? The water goes down, then it fills the container, and if after filling the container, it cannot be filled, so it flows out. The excess water will flow out of the container. This is because water also needs space, which does not get it, and it overflows. Now another one, water flows easily. Water always flows. Now liquid flows. We have already seen in previous videos. Water has the ability to flow easily. It can flow only from higher level to lower level. I have never seen, you people have also not seen maybe, the water will flowing up. In this one, springs, I'm not talking about the hotspot springs or geyser or your fountain, all these things, not that. Like, it needs some force for that. And I have not seen the river is flowing upward. Tista is flowing upward. No, I have not seen, and it can be possible. Now this water always flows from higher level to lower level. If you spill your water in your desk, then it flows down. Now it flows and take the And when we pour water and flows down and it takes the shape of container, it will not have its own shape. Okay, today I want to have this type of shape. No, not like that. But it will take the container of the shape of the container where we are like pouring it. Okay, now, and after pouring in the container, if it is full, then also it flows down. It will not flow up, but it flows down. Okay, these are the simple properties. Okay, what we have seen is like water has its fixed volume, water occupies space, and water flows easily. These three things we have come across. And another one, water can change its form easily. It can change its form easily. How? Let's see. Now, with the help of two things, heating and cooling. Okay, water changes its form from solid ice to a liquid, which we have already seen, and to the gas or water vapor. This change due to cooling and heating of water, or the cooling or heating process. These are the two processes that water can change its own form. Today, let's discuss more about. These are the simple things like properties. Fixed volume, occupies space, and it flows easily, and it can change its form very easily. Okay, with the help of heating and cooling process. Okay. Water solution. Now today, let's discuss little bit about the water solution. What is solution? What is solution? Okay, just we'll touch little bit. Then in the next class we'll discuss more about it. Okay. A solution is formed when two or more substances of the same kind are dissolved completely. For example, okay. So let it be later on. Okay, the substance which dissolved is called solute. The substance which dissolves means okay, disappears in the water or wherever. Okay, these are called solute. While the substance into which the solute is dissolved is called solvent. Okay, for example, if we take sugar and salt and water, that salt becomes solute, and the water it becomes solvent. And when we pour and mix this together, this forms the solution, that is called the solution. Okay, all these things we'll discuss. Okay, now solute substances are usually present in lesser quantity. Okay, while the solvent forms the largest component of the solutions. Solvent is commonly a liquid substances. Solvent is always commonly a liquid substances which can dissolve a salt easily. For example, if you take salt or the sugar in a water, then the sugar or the water, this sugar or salt will be dissolved in and this salt or sugar it becomes solute, and the water is the solvent, and the sweet or the will find, if that is the sugar, will find the sweet water. If we put the salt, then we will find salty water. This is called the water form of solution. Okay, now let's take the simple conditions. What are the conditions that affects making of solution? Okay, normally solute dissolves faster in water under these conditions. Okay, a solute can dissolve faster when it is stirred. When it is stirred in water. Another one, a solute dissolves faster when water is heated. Water is heated. If the water is boiling water, then it will be we'll find the solution very easily. Okay. Now, increasing the amount of water can make the solute dissolve faster in it. Okay. If we pour little bit of water and if you pour more salt or sugar, it won't be dissolved. But if you pour more water and little salt, it will dissolve fast. Okay, when the solute is broken into small pieces, or the whatever solute means salt or water, sugar, all these things are there. Okay, it dissolves faster in water. Big solute cannot dissolve faster. So if you make small pieces, it dissolves faster. Okay, now in the next classes we'll do some activities. Okay, through another means I'll try to do. Okay, till then I hope you have understood the lessons. we have discussed. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. See you all. Thank you.